हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्टाइल वाउस। आई एम मेघा और आज की वीडियो में मैं टू ऑफ द मोस्ट हाइप्ड आई शैडो पैलेट्स के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम गोना कंपेयर दीज टू आई शैडो पैलेट्स विच आर फ्रॉम हुडा ब्यूटी. सो वन इज द हुडा ब्यूटी रोज गोल्ड remastered palettes and the second one is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Now guys, these two eyeshadows are really hyped in all over the world in the makeup market. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you guys that I bought these two palettes from Nykaa.com when they had a sale going on. The pink sale that was going on, a few weeks ago. So I bought from that sale, and they had a discount of 35% on these two palettes. So I did not pay the full amount of what they retail. Also guys, I'm gonna share my experience with these two palettes and everything about the palettes, like whether you should buy it or not, who should buy this palette, how many colors are there in this palette, the pigmentation. I'm also gonna do a live demo, so make sure you're watching the video till the end. Also before getting into video guys, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो please do subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna come up with more such videos. Also guys, don't forget to hit the bell icon after you have subscribed to my channel because this is how you're gonna notified whenever I come up with a new video. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do let me know in the comments below on what topic would you like me to make videos on. So without wasting any more further time, let's get into the video. सो गाइस, सबसे पहले हम बात करने वाले हैं इन दोनों पैलेट्स की प्राइसिंग के बारे में. सो ये दोनों ही पैलेट्स दीज रिटेल्स फॉर ₹5375 in the Indian market, although you can anytime buy it on discount. As I bought it on discount, I got 35% discount on Nykaa.com, as I have told you. So keep searching for online offers if you want to spend in this palette, because 5375 rupees is really costly according to me. I mean 10,000 के ये दो पैलेट्स, नॉट इवन 10,000 के ये दो पैलेट्स आपको लगभग पड़ेंगे, विच इज़ लाइक रियली अ कॉस्टली डील इफ़ यू आर बाइंग इट एट फुल प्राइस. So if money is not a factor for you guys, then आप definitely खरीद सकते हो. But if you are on budget, if you are looking for a good eyeshadow palette, if you want to buy this palette and you are on budget, then please wait for the discount because these are like really costly palettes. Now इसकी जो शेल्फ़ लाइफ है वो 3 years है. सो 3 साल के बाद ये आई शैडो पैलेट आपकी एक्सपायर कर जाएगी. एक तो आप 5,500 रुपये इसमें खर्च रहे हो, ऊपर से 3 साल की एक्सपायरी है. सो इट्स रियली शॉर्ट टाइम बिकॉज यू डोंट एंड अप यूजिंग ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स विद इन 3 years. Guys, one more thing that I would like to point about Nykaa.com is whenever they take out a product, a particular product, especially ऐसे महंगे products on discount, जैसे मुझे ये 35% ऑफ में मिला, तो गाइज इसकी जो शेल्फ़ लाइफ है वो कहने को तो 3 साल है, बट मैंने अभी 2 महीने पहले ही ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज़ करे हैं. मुझे जो इसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मिली है दैट इज़ ऑफ March 2019. अभी 2020 चल रहा है और 2019 का मैन्युफैक्चर्ड प्रोडक्ट अगर मुझे मिल रही है फॉर लाइक हुज MRP इज़ लाइक 5,000 रुपीज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, और 2022 में ये एनी हाउ एक्सपायर कर जाएगा. सो आई हैव जस्ट 2 years ऑफ शेल्फ लाइफ फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. मतलब मुझे पूरे 3 साल भी शेल्फ लाइफ नहीं मिल रहा है. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग 2 years और मुझे 2 साल में ये पूरा आई शैडो पैलेट ख़त्म करना है, विच इज़ लाइक नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी. सो दैट्स समथिंग विच इज़ अबाउट Nykaa.com. एनीवेज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज टू पैलेट्स, सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट अगेन. सो गाइज, ये जो हुडा ब्यूटी रोज गोल्ड रीमास्टर्ड पैलेट है, इसमें आपको टोटल ऑफ 16.6 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मिल रहे हैं. येस, इसमें जितने भी कलर्स हैं वो टोटल मिला के सिर्फ 16.6 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट आपको मिल रहे हैं. ऑन दी अदर हैंड, ये जो डेजर्ट डस्क पैलेट है हुडा ब्यूटी का, इसमें आपको इन टोटल ऑफ 25.2 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मिल रहे हैं. सो गाइज, ये जो कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग है, एवरीथिंग इज़ रिटन ऑन दिस. इसकी MRP, द शेल्फ लाइफ, द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ मेंशन्ड ऑन इट. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द पैकेजिंग. गाइज, जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हो कि ये दोनों ही आई शैडो पैलेट्स एक कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग में आते हैं. तो ये इसका आउटर फिल्म है, द आउटर कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग दैट इट कम्स इन, एंड इसको बाहर निकालने के बाद दिस इज़ द पैकेजिंग फॉर द रोज गोल्ड पैलेट. बहुत ही सुंदर हुडा कटन का ये पिक्चर बना हुआ है इन विच शी हैज़ डन दिस आई मेकअप एंड द लिप मेकअप, एंड आई रियली लव दिस बिकॉज it is somewhat duochromatic in shade, and I love the packaging. The packaging game is like really good, really good. And ये एक book form में है with magnetic closure, so you get a full size of mirror over here. I really like my products that has a full size mirror क्योंकि बहुत easy हो जा रहा है. Even if you are on the go, you are traveling, आप आराम से mirror की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं, आप गाड़ी में बैठे बैठे भी अपना आई मेकअप कर सकते हो if you are a pro. Okay, now packaging wise it's really good. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो एक मैग्नेटिक क्लोजर है एंड वेरी सॉफ्ट मैग्नेटिक क्लोजर. वो बिल्कुल से एक होता है ना टक सा आवाज़, बहुत तेज़ नहीं करता है, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मैग्नेटिक क्लोजर है. सो आई रियली लाइक द पैकेजिंग. टॉकिंग अबाउट द हुडा ब्यूटी डिजर्ट डस्क पैलेट, इसकी भी पैकेजिंग सेम है. यहाँ पर जो पिक्चर बनी हुई है अगेन हुडा ब्यूटी के आईज की पिक्चर बनी है. तो ये थी पैकेजिंग की बात. अब गाइज हम बात करते हैं इसमें कितने शेड्स हैं. So guys, both the palettes have 18 shades available. So everything is written at the back over here. इसमें 8 matte shades है, which is like very buttery in texture. It has like 3 duochrome toppers and 1 daring glitter. So let me just show you the swatch of glitter. So this one is the glitter right here. This is the glitter, just to swatch it. Gorgeous glitter. It is completely dry glitter जो कि बस इसमें पैक करी हुई है. So this is not at all creamy. So whenever you are applying this glitter, whenever you are playing on your eyes with this glitter, you need to make sure that you are applying a glitter glue. Otherwise, this is not gonna stick on your eyes. Guys, उसी तरह if we are talking about the rose gold palette, so even this eyeshadow palette has 18 eyeshadows in it. They have like 8 buttery mattes, 8 melted metals, 1 wet and dry jet black color, and 1 highlighting pressed bold. According to me, they should have given 1 pressed glitter in this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette also, because they're like charging a bomb for these palettes, and they should have given more shades also. According to me, just 18 shade is like very less. You get around 30-40 shades in one palette of Morphe or Pixie and all those things, in which they have a lot of shades and they retail for much lesser price than this palette. So I think this is like really costly deal, buying like a palette of 5,000 rupees for just 18 shades. Tad bit costly. So let me just swatch 2-3 matte shades for you all, and these are the 4 shades that I'm gonna swatch. So I'm swatching it here. Don't mind my nails guys, they're in a very bad condition. I'm sorry for that. So आप देख रहे हो कितने पिगमेंटेड है ये कलर्स. दीज कलर्स आर लाइक रियली रियली पिगमेंटेड. नाउ डेजर्ट डस्क पैलेट से भी 2-3 मैट शेड्स मैं स्वॉच करके दिखाना चाहती हूँ आपको. So I've taken just the darker shades of the color because I think that comes up really nice while swatching in your hands. So can you just see the swatches? Now one thing that I would like to tell here is the colors are not very much different in both the palettes. They are almost very similar. अगर मुझे 2 पैलेट्स में इन्वेस्ट करने हैं, दैट इज़ लाइक नॉट अ स्मॉल अमाउंट, विच इज़ लाइक अ बॉम अमाउंट ऑफ 10,000. सो आई थिंक दे शुड हैव गिवन मोर ऑफ ग्रीन्स एंड ब्लूज एंड मोर ऑफ कोरल शेड्स एंड येलो शेड्स, पर्पल शेड्स. बहुत सारे शेड्स अवेलेबल है, एंड दे हैव not at all considered to add green and blues in their palettes, so which is like a minus point in them. Every time you don't want to create the pink sort of a look, so this palette is more on a pinkier note, like this pink pigment, dark pink, light pink, reddish pink color. Again, this one is a pink pigment, this one is a champagne pink pigment, so more on pink and gold. So rose gold palette is more about pinks and golds only. Just that one good thing that they have done is they have given a matte black color to create the smoky eye look, and obviously they do have the transition shades, which is like really good. The colors are really pigmented. You can see the pigment on my hand, and they are really blendable. You'll see when I'll be doing my eye makeup. So if I swatch some of the pressed pigments over here, you see I'm swatching it over here. The pigments are also really very good. It's just one swatch guys, and in one swatch you get a really good payoff. You can anyhow build it really well. So the dark shades come out really well. These are the matte shades, and these are the pigments shades. So these are the pigments that's present in the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'll also show you the pigments from the rose gold palette. So these are the pigment shade for the rose gold palette. No doubt the colors are gorgeous and the pigmentation is gorgeous, but Can you see? Look at this one swipe pigment that it provides. I mean, this is just the one swipe and you get really very good color payoff. Now talking about that, how long it will stay in your eyes. To be very honest, if you are a professional makeup artist and you're looking for a good palette to invest in for brides or for celebrity makeup or any sort of professional makeup, guys, you can definitely go for these palettes. Before the Rakhi, I bought these palette. I created a look on Rakhi using the Rose Gold Remastered palette, and really I created the look in the morning, like around 12ish, not morning exactly, afternoon, around 12ish, and it literally stayed on my eyes till 8 or 9 o'clock at the evening. Literally it stayed for whole day and whole of the evening, so I was really happy with at least the color payoff. I mean, if I have paid something, so it really paid me back, it really rewarded me by its color payoff. Now guys, I'm gonna quickly show you an eye makeup look from both the palettes. This is just to show you that how these colors work for your eyelids. Like, the skin over here and the skin over here on your eyelids are completely different. So just want to show that yes, these do blend on your eyes as well. So I'll just show you quickly doing a very light eye makeup look from both the palettes. And if you want to see a detailed tutorial, a detailed eye makeup look using these two palettes, then please do not forget to check out the information button, which is on the right side of your screen. And also I'll be linking both the videos in the description box below, so please do check out the videos for a detailed eye makeup look using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and the Desert Dusk palette separate. So first I'll be using this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm gonna use very light brown shade for the crease and just a swipe of any of these pigments for the eyelids. So I'm taking the very light shade over here for the crease. When I'm dusting it off, it does have fallouts, if you can see. A lot of fallouts. Don't take this one as a makeup tutorial. This is a complete comparison video. I'm just showing you how it looks on your eyes. The lightest color in this eyeshadow. Guys, this eyeshadow is blending like butter on my eyes. It's very easy to blend this. Now can you see the color payoff? It's amazing, trust me, it's amazing. The color payoff and the quality of the product, they have done complete justice to the quality of the product. The color payoff is amazing. The blendability, you'll give 100 points on the blendability because it blends like a dream. It actually, the matte shades work like butter on your eyelids and they do blend like dream. I'm gonna take this rose gold pigment over here just with my fingers and just swiping it all over my eyelids. These eyeshadow palettes would work pretty well if you're a professional makeup artist. Can you see the instant eye makeup? They look so gorgeous. It looks really amazing. Just to blend a little more. And if you are a girl on the go, you are done with the eye makeup. I mean, some days you can definitely just leave your eye makeup over here, just a little bit of liner and a mascara, and you're done with your makeup. So I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So I'm going to take this dark shade, the dark brown shade for my creases. So I'm using a flat brush over here. So some colors you see, they do have fallouts. It is falling out. So eyelid mein, all over the eyelid, I'm gonna use this color right here, which is pigmentation is awesome. And I'm using the golden shade, applying it on the inner corner for that popping of my eyes. So you see instantly my eyes has popped so much. I'm not going to complete the eye look because my motto was only to show you the eyeshadows, that how they look on my eyelids, so you can see it very well. So guys, अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे कि कौन सा इन दोनों में से खरीदना चाहिए, अगर कोई एक आई शेडो खरीदना है तो guys, if you love more of neutral looks, if you love more of pinkish looks, if you love more of feminine sort of eye makeup look which is very much cool toned, this should be your take, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. Second thing, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रामा क्रिएट करना पसंद है अपने आईज के लिए, if you love creating lot of different experimental looks with your eyes, then this should be your take, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette. Because you can see that इसमें बहुत सारे dark shades है, like the purples, एक pressed glitter है इसमें coral shades है, like earthy tone shades, more of browns and reds for red smoky eye, purple smoky eye. One disadvantage in Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette is they have not given the black shade. I mean, they should definitely give a black shade, because अगर हमें सिर्फ होल एंड सोल ये आई शेडो पैलेट यूज़ करके कोई शेड क्रिएट करना है, स्पेशली विच इज़ लाइक मोर ऑफ अ स्मोकी आई लुक, तो बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी होएगी. सो येस, color choices is really less, but the quality of the product is 100% great, like great. So guys, that was all for my review. I hope this review, this comparison thing was useful for you, and आपको पता लग गया होगा कि आपके लिए best suited कौन सा है इन दोनों palettes में से. अगर आपको दोनों palettes खरीदने हैं तो definitely do not think it twice, do not go on anyone's opinion, just go and buy it for yourself. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी लग रहा है कि दोनों में से एक आई शेडो पैलेट लेना है तो भी आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. अगर मोर ऑफ फॉल सॉर्ट ऑफ लुक चाहिए, ज़्यादा डार्क एंड गॉडी एंड dramatic look, go for this Desert Dusk. And feminist and very girlish look, you can go for this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So yes, that was all for today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will definitely come up with more such videos. Also do let me know in the comment section below that did you find this video very helpful in clearing your doubts regarding these two most hyped eyeshadow palettes. See you next time. Take care. Bye.